I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you click here on profile. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on notification filter, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, then you come here to top posts from users you follow, clicking this sign, the like it. So when you click on it here, the like you see this color show for us, that's mean enable with us now. Go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.